How to connect your Supercell account to Clash Royale. If this video does help you, make sure you like and subscribe. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to click on this three dots all the way to the right once you are on the battle. So make sure you go to battle and click on the three dots all the way on top to the right. Once you do that, you're gonna have to click on this option right here all the way under where it says Supercell ID should be yellow. Just click on that. Then once you click on that, it should take you to this page right here. Now from here, if you do have an account, make sure you click on yes, log me in. But if you don't have an account, make sure you click on create a new ID. So I do have an account, so I'm gonna just click on yes, log me in. And once I do that, it should say welcome back. So I'm gonna just click on continue. Now from here, I'm gonna have to log in with my Supercell ID. So I'm gonna just go with my email. So I just put in my iCloud email. So I'm gonna just click on done. Now from here, I'm gonna click on login. I'm gonna have to wait a few minutes and it's going to say I just send a code to your email. So I'm not gonna put in my code, but if you could just put in your code and you should be logged in. Now I'm gonna just click on cancel. But if you don't have an account, what you have to do is you're gonna have to click on create a new ID. Just click on that, it should be the second option. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on continue again. Now from here, you're gonna have to put in your email and then you're gonna have to put in your email again. Then they're gonna make you put in your password and you should be able to connect your Supercell account to Clash Royale. So if this video does help you, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.